What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a quick middle of the day market update. I wanted to do a quick update. I mean, in general, like we got some nice momentum heading into the US session, but right now we're back to the same old shenanigans, which is a dumping Bitcoin as we are speaking. Just wanted to do a bit of an update on what you need to know about Bitcoin right now. Which you can see is that the markets are very correlated. Throughout the day, you did have some cryptos that were performing relatively well, like Fetch was performing quite well. Maker also here and there, and then earlier today we also had some coins doing well. But overall, the markets are still very correlated. All right, so what that means is that you need to know what Bitcoin is doing. If you know what Bitcoin is doing, then you can say a little bit more about the markets. But today, not much news. I mean, we all know that tomorrow and Friday we have some more economic news. But today, not much. I mean, earlier today, what we did see is that the German government was moving some Bitcoin again. So that suppressed some bullish momentum again. But I very much doubt whether that had a real effect. I mean, of course, they'll be selling off some. But if they're selling $10 million of Bitcoin, will that really make a dent in the price? I don't know. So in general, and I've talked about this earlier today as well, in general, I think we're just still consolidating between this resistance level, this local resistance level at least, here at 62,200, and then this local support level at 60,500, or to make it a little bit more round, 60,000. And what we are ultimately waiting for is one of those two levels to break. All right, because if one of those two levels breaks, then we have somewhat of a confirmation of the direction that Bitcoin will follow, and therefore the market will follow. At least in these circumstances where the Bitcoin dominance is pretty stable. All right, so that means that altcoins are not outperforming like they were last Monday and Tuesday. Especially Monday, by the way. But all right, so that's the main thing to watch. Like I said, 62,250. Keep that level in mind. If that breaks, we're bullish. We can rally up to 64,000, and altcoins can put in a nice rally. Some will be stronger than others, but all right. And if we break down below 60,000, it's probably max pain again, and we'll be dipping down lower into this support level between 58 and 57,000. So that's what we'll be waiting for, and I'll keep you updated on that as well. If we look at some cryptos today, personally, I bought some rats a little bit lower, which was quite strong over the course of this morning. I still think it has a bullish market structure, but it's a bit of a manipulated coin. It's a bit of a scam coin, so be careful if you do want to dabble around with this. And then I also saw that Fetch was quite strong, if I can find that here, under AI, of course. Fetch is trying to get a nice bullish breakout here on the 4-hour time frame. We'll still have to wait like half an hour for that. But the 1-hour time frame is putting in a nice market structure. The order flow is a bit weird, all right? It's just in general, it's been weird for the last couple of weeks. So I'm not sure if I'll trust that. Apart from that, Not also, which was also in a thumbnail, Not also relatively strong here, but it lacks momentum again. Which is a bit of a shame. Otherwise, we could really rally. 1.7 is the main level to break. If that breaks, we can still rally. And then apart from that, I think that's about it for now. Some like Morg, I think, which is a meme coin that performed very well in the last 2 days. I think this still is looking bullish. Like I still expect some sort of a lag up for this. But not necessarily right now. It's losing a bit of its speed and momentum right now, so maybe wait for a pullback into some sort of a strong support and catch it then. And then like there's some scam coins that are doing quite well. Like if you look at the open interest change in the last hour, coin like Blur is moving quite a lot, and that's about it. All right, so there's not much to focus on. Except for Bitcoin, and I think that's the most valuable to focus on as well right now. So keep your eyes on that. I'll keep you updated on that as well. Don't forget the economic news tomorrow, which I will keep you updated on. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.